In the Brownsburg elementary schools, each grade level follows a district-wide schedule, so all students are provided the same amount of time for each subject area. Each grade level participates in a 90-minute reading block. During each 90-minute reading block, students participate in whole group instruction, where a new concept or reading strategy is introduced. Students will also work in small groups that meet with the classroom teacher. These small groups are used to reinforce or reteach skills learned during whole group instruction. Oftentimes, these groups are based on student ability, so students are able to apply new skills at a level appropriate to their learning needs. Students are also given the opportunity to work in literacy stations. These stations are designed to review skills, allow students to work independently or cooperatively, and are differentiated to challenge each student. Brownsburg Schools adopted 6+1 Write traits as our model for writing in 2011-2012. One of its great advantages is that it provides teachers with a common vocabulary to use when teaching writing. This vocabulary is used when teaching writing to our kindergarten students all the way to our seniors at Brownsburg High School. Teachers introduce the 6 traits of writing through mini lessons, and students then spend time writing and practicing the new trait. As the year progresses, students are able to incorporate mini traits into their writing. Our teachers work collaboratively between buildings to develop common writing prompts, rubrics for scoring written work, and anchor papers to use when grading. Anchor papers help to ensure that a paper that scores 5 out of 6 at one school would score the same at another. After only 1 year, our I-Step writing scores are higher than ever. In grades K through 5, Brownsburg uses Everyday Math, a program which teaches math concepts through the introduction of a variety of ways to solve math problems. Skills are reinforced through the use of games and manipulatives. The math concepts are not just taught one time, rather the curriculum spirals so students actually practice different concepts throughout the entire school year. This is very different from the way many of us learned math when it was common to learn a concept like fractions during the fraction chapter and never return to fractions after the chapter was over. Math lessons are divided into 3 main concepts. Math usually begins with the portion called Teaching the Lesson. In this portion of class, teachers introduce the new concept to the whole class. Students then practice the new skills until they feel comfortable on their own. The next portion of the lesson is called Ongoing Learning and Practice. Students practice the newly taught concept and review skills from earlier lessons. This is achieved through a variety of activities including technology-based practice, classroom games, small group lessons, and independent assignments. The final portion of math differentiation options allows for teachers to provide activities and instruction to students at their level. The differentiation for Everyday Math is not designed to be more for students to complete, but rather to challenge them by digging deeper into the topic that was taught earlier in the math class. These innovative programs, along with the hard work of our teachers and students, has resulted in increased writing, language, and math scores, proving once again the mission of Brownsburg Community School Corporation.
Higher achievement together!